Hey guys, because you liked it so much, I will show you some other really awesome looking Unreal Engine 5 environments in VR. I show it to you again with the Pimax Dream Air, links and coupons in the description. My name is Thomas and you're watching Voodoo.de. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
Voodoo.de.
Okay guys, and the first demo is, this is an ancient temple. I show you the resolution. So I set a resolution of 6010 by 2964 and this is 3005 by 2964 per eye. So this is a really high resolution and I play it here with the Pimax Dream Air SE right now. If you ask why don't I play it with the Dream Air, because I don't have it right here, it's just the Dream Air SE, but I can tell you this is also already freaking insane. And guys, look at this beautiness. Just look at that. Look at that. This is forbidden. This is freaking forbidden. Look at this. And here in this dark room, I can definitely feel the OLED display of this headset is brilliant. Brilliance, just amazing. I mean, the Dream Air, the big, the expensive one would be even better, but I just don't have it right here. But just look at this here. Look at this here. Here. Just sit down, relax, and check this out. And this is VR. This is VR, guys. It's not like a fake or so. And I can even prove that it's room scale. Look at this here. When I go left and right, yeah, I can watch this tree from different angles. And also here, you see that? Yeah, it's full VR. It's native 3D. It's just brilliant. And as you can see, it runs buttery smooth. I can even do it very fast. Yeah, it's very smooth, no problem at all. Even with this high-end headset here, on high settings and on this high resolution. This. I even had goosebumps watching that. Look at the lights here and wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are they stupid? What are they doing there? Wow. Wow, just wow. Look at this, guys. I mean, this is more than stunning. It's more than stunning. Holy moly. The light effects and all the shadows and the nice colors of that. Oh my God, look at this. Ah. Oh shit. That's unbelievable. Or what do you think? Can go up here. So I played with mouse and keyboard, but you can also play it with motion controllers or gamepad or whatever. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at this. Oh shit. Can't believe it. I can't believe it. So why on earth don't we have games like this? And I mean, this graphic is brilliant, but I also played, for example, Fate Keeper in VR, and there's a lot of, this is a real game. It's a non-VR game, but I played it in VR, and there's a lot of quests, it's NPCs, it's a whole system, and it also runs buttery smooth. So it is possible to develop games like this in VR, but why are we playing this shitty casual games with this damn ugly graphics when we can have this? I don't understand that. Holy moly. What do you think, guys? This is brilliant, guys. So, I would say let's check out another demo. Okay, guys, and this is the second demo that I want to show you today. So this is Cemetery. I think I already showed that in the past, but not with such a nice high-end headset with the Dream Air SE. It's just brilliant to see that again, and also with this resolution. Look at the resolution. I have 6010 by 2964. This is 3005 by 2964 per eye. And guys, you cannot imagine how cool that looks here. You have to check out the details. Look at the flowers here. Look at the lights. Look at the stones here. The details. And it runs buttery smooth. On this resolution, on this settings, with this high-end headset, there's even the fog. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but I can see the dynamic fog here flying around. It's just, it's more than brilliant. Look at this here. I could just walk around here like ultra slowly and just watch every. Look at the stones here. This is forbidden. This looks like real stones, like they are really standing here. And as you can see, it's room scale, full room scale. So it's not fixed to my head view. I can have full native 3D and full room scale. Huh. Oh my God. Just sit down and relax and watch this, guys. If you are able to do that, to try it out in VR with the high-end headset, just do it. Oh, poor guy. Poor guy. Wow, look at this. Just standing in front of this church here feels, the graphics so freaking good. This, you cannot imagine that. I mean, it looks even good on the flat screen here for you, but in VR, to see that in like you're standing in front of this church here. Like, look at this here. I'm just standing in front of this huge church. How on earth is that possible? Look. Insane. The old graves and all the. Can we close the door? Can close the door. Uh-oh. Wow. And guys, here in this areas where it's pretty dark, it looks so good with the OLED. Looks so good. That was the end of the demo, right? Yeah. And you can still walk around here and check every single corner. There's a lot of hidden things and so on. But I just wanted to show it again how cool that looks and how buttery smooth that is. You see that? How on earth is that possible? This is so cool. So if you want to try it out for yourself, I will put a link to the demos in the description that I show you. And also, if you're interested in this Pimax headset or any high-end headset, all the links are in the description. And I can tell you, please guys, if you try it out, use a high-end headset. This is a blast. It's better than try it with a Quest 3 or Pico 4 or so. Use a high-end headset and you trust me, you will be flashed. I can tell you. All the links, coupon codes in the description, as I said. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
Voodoo.de